Welcome to GK at Amosri.
Which country is known as the playground of Europe? A. Denmark, B. Switzerland, C. Canada, D. Netherlands. B. Switzerland, because of its stunning landscapes, which include lakes, villages, the Alps, and the Jura Mountains. The country also offers many adventurous activities. Who wrote the famous novel James Bond? A. Ian Fleming, B. James Joyce, C. William Franklin, D. Christina Jones. A. Ian Fleming, and he was a British author and journalist. The James Bond novel has sold over 60 million copies worldwide and been translated into 20 languages. Which country gifted the Statue of Liberty to the America? A. England, B. Germany, C. Canada, D. France. D. France. And also, European country France gifted Statue of Liberty to the USA in 1886. Which English newspaper has the largest circulation in the world? A. The Hindu, B. The Times of India, C. Indian Express, D. The New York Times. B. The Times of India, with an average daily circulation is 31,46,000, and also it is the world best-selling English language newspaper. Which is the most populated city in the world? A. Delhi, B. New York, C. Tokyo, D. Beijing. C. Tokyo. And also, Japan's capital Tokyo is the world's populated city with 37 million people, and Delhi is the second most populated city in the world. Who was the world's first female Prime Minister? A. Indira Gandhi, B. Srimavo Bandaranaike, C. Nikita Pandey, D. Nandini Gupta. B. Srimavo Bandaranaike, and she was elected in Sri Lanka in 1960, and also she was elected Prime Minister in 3 times. Bharatanatyam is related to which state? A. Kerala, B. Bihar, C. Maharashtra, D. Tamil Nadu. D. Tamil Nadu. Besides, Bharatanatyam is one of the oldest classical dance tradition in India, originating in Tamil Nadu. Which country grew cotton plant on the moon? A. India, B. China, C. Japan, D. America. B. China. China sent several seeds to moon in its spacecraft Change 4, and cotton was the only seed to germinate on the moon. Dandiya is the famous folk dance of which Indian state? A. Bihar, B. Odisha, C. Uttarakhand, D. Gujarat. D. Gujarat. And also, Dandiya Ras as a folk dance originated in Gujarat. This is popular socio-religious dance is performed during the time of Navratri festival. Which state of India is the richest state? A. Maharashtra, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Kerala, D. Madhya Pradesh. A. Maharashtra is the financial capital of India, and it is the wealthiest state in the term of GDP per capita income, and the second richest state is Tamil Nadu. Which is the largest dam in India? A. Tehri Dam, B. Bakranangal Dam, C. Hirakud Dam, D. Nagarjuna Sahar Dam. A. Tehri Dam. It is located on the Bhagirathi River in the state of Uttarakhand. It is 260.5 meter tall, earthfell and rockfell dam with a crest length of 575 meters. And also, Bakranangal Dam is the second largest dam. Who is called the king of the jungle before the lion? A. Bear, B. Zebra, C. Tiger, D. Elephant. D. Elephant. The title The Lion King of the Jungle is very recent from 19th century in India. Which river changed its color? A. Nile River, B. Ganga River, C. Cano Cristales River, D. Yamuna River. C. Cano Cristales River. And also it is the Colombian river that has been called River of Five Colors or Liquid Rainbow because of its striking color that change throughout the year. In which country does the sun shine at midnight? A. Nepal, B. Norway, C. Russia, D. Bhutan. B. Norway. And also the midnight sun is visible across Norway during the spring and summer months. Which sea lies between Asia and Africa? A. Black Sea, B. Red Sea, C. Caspian Sea, D. Arabian Sea. B. Red Sea. Besides, the Red Sea is 2,250 km long and 355 km wide at the widest point. It has a maximum depth of 9,970 feet and an average depth is 1,608 feet. Rand is the currency of which country? A. South Africa, B. Russia, C. Romania, D. South Korea. C. South Africa. And the South African rand is used as the national currency by the Republic of South Africa. Which country has the most number of universities? A. India, B. China, C. Russia, D. Canada. A. India. And also India has the most universities in the world with an estimated 5,350 universities as of July 2023. And also Indonesia has the second most universities with 3,300 and the United States has 3,200 universities. Amazon rainforest is located in which country? A. Russia, B. Brazil, C. China, D. Cambodia. B. Brazil. Besides, Brazil contains the largest portion of the Amazon rainforest with about 60% of it. And also, the Amazon rainforest is located in 9 countries in South America, including Brazil, Peru, Bolivia, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, French Guyana, and Suriname. Which country has the strongest army in the world? A. India, B. USA, C. China, D. Russia. B. USA. Besides, the United States hold the top position globally, boasting the most potent military force. And also, India is ranked 4th in the world for military power according to the 2024 Global Firepower Index. Which river is a transparent river in India? A. Vishwamitra River, B. Ganga River, C. Teesta River, D. Ummangkot River. D. Ummangkot River. Besides, River Ummangkot is also known as the Dwaki River and a transparent river in India, and also it is 100 km from Shillong in Meghalaya district. The answer for last video was Nihon Hidankyo, and the Nobel Peace Prize 2024 has been awarded to the Japanese organization Nihon Hidankyo, and also for its effort to achieve worlds free of nuclear weapons and for demonstrating through the witness testimony that nuclear weapons must never be used again. Video is available on iCall. Which state has highest number of schools in India? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box.
Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.